accepts his guilt. Darius was a brash young man. One day, he was speeding down the highway when another car tried to overtake him. Darius swore to prevent him from overtaking. There was an accident and the second car spun out of control. It crashed into the barrier. Many people pulled over to help. No one noticed Darius, who had parked ahead. The next day, Darius read in the newspaper about the accident. He read that the driver was badly hurt. Darius felt very guilty. He knew that he was to blame, but he did not have the courage to accept his mistake. The accident had happened in the night, and the driver only remembered the car he crashed into. Somebody driving a similar car had been arrested. Darius knew he had to step forward to save an innocent man. It was not easy, but somehow he found the courage to do the right thing. Fiordo speaks the truth. Fiordo was a biochemist. He worked in the research division of a multinational company. His job was to conduct quality checks on new products that the company prepared. A few months into his job, Fiordo realized that the company was not following the right procedures. He also found that many products did not meet the safety standards. He immediately informed his supervisors. However, he saw that no charges were made. The firm continued its old style of working. Fiordo did not know what to do. One day, he saw the products of his firm in the market. Fiordo was shocked, for he knew that the products had not met all the safety standards. Fiordo realized that his complaint had not been taken seriously. He immediately contacted the CEO, Chief Executive Officer, directly and told him all the details. The CEO thanked him and ordered the products to be immediately withdrawn. The supervisors were also suspended. Aaron helps a road accident victim. Aaron was a responsible young man. One day, he was out on some official work when he saw that the road was blocked. He thought it was a traffic jam and patiently waited. When the traffic started moving, he saw that there had been an accident. A young lady had been thrown off her two-wheeler. She lay unconscious on one side of the road. People passing by slowed down, but no one stopped to help. They were afraid of getting involved in a medical legal case. Aaron also continued on his way because he did not want to be late for his work. But then he felt ashamed of himself and pulled over. He took the young lady to the hospital. The doctors told him that he had come just in time. A little more late, the lady would have been dead. Everyone praised Aaron for his good work. Nicole conquers the mountain. Nicole lived in a small village in the shadows of the Andes. It was her desire to climb to the top of the mountain near her home. But Nicole came from a very poor family. She knew that she would never be able to get money or time for a mountain climbing trip. Everyone told her she would never be able to climb up the mountain. However, Nicole never gave up on her wish. Many years went by, and one day Nicole got the chance to accompany a scientific expedition to the mountain top as an assistant. She was very happy. When the ascent started, Nicole was very excited, but each day proved tougher than the previous. One day, she stumbled and sprained her ankle, but she did not give up. She knew there was work to be done. She bravely continued climbing up the mountain until she reached the peak.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.